Okay guys, so we have Ali Julia hair here, and that is their gorgeous pink box. I got a 16-inch frontal, and then I also got 4 bundles in the lengths 16, 18, 20 and 22. So let's just go ahead and give you a close-up of those bundles. They are really well constructed. There was no problems with the wefts, and the hair itself was gorgeous, as you will see throughout the video. So once again, 16, 18, 20 and 22. Now I'm just going to show you how to cut the front of the lace so your ear is not like stuck behind the lace. So you just section the hair out above your ear, so you get that section that you're going to cut ready, and then you just literally cut the front of the lace around your ear, and that will be your ear done. Okay guys, so I just finished making this wig. As you can see, like, nothing's customized. I haven't even cut the lace on the front yet. I'm gonna wash this wig. We're gonna take this wig from this to, obviously, you know, what you saw at the beginning of the video. We're gonna customize this wig. We're gonna wash it. We're gonna curl it. We're gonna get it looking right, because this is just not right. So this hair, of course, is by Ali Julia hair. I will give you my review at the end after washing and curling and all of that. I will tell you how I feel about the hair. So far there was no problems with installing it. It is body wave hair. I used 3 bundles and a frontal, and I still have 1 bundle left that I couldn't fit on, and this one is like 16 inches. So the bundles come like this. They are really soft, really full as well. I'm not going to talk too much about the hair right now, because I just want to, you know, get this hair sorted out. So this is what it looks like straight after making the wig. I have plucked a little bit from the frontal, but not much. I wanted to wash the hair first before I did too much to it. So I'm gonna go wash the hair now, and then I'll come back so we can like blow dry it, install it and everything together. Okay guys, so here we have the hair freshly washed, and I'm just going to brush it through and brush it all back, ready for blow drying. And I'm also going to part the hair, and I do want to side part with this unit, well, for now anyway. So I do a side part, and then I just begin brushing that in the direction I want the hairs to go. So now moving on to plucking, I did pluck a little bit from the part as well as the front area, but this frontal was pretty much customized. It wasn't overly packed with hair. So I took a little bit of styling foam and just brushed down the front of the hair so it lays flat. Then I start separating out the baby hairs that I want. So I just pull some of the hair to the front, and then I use like a blade to cut the hair. I find that when you're doing this part, it's better to do the baby hairs a bit longer than too short. So you can always do it long, see how you like it. If you don't like it, you can go back in with the blade comb like I am now and just cut a little bit more off. But it's better to take it too slow rather than going in and cutting too much off, because you can't get that hair back. So that's what I'm going to do all around the front of the hair, just create little baby hairs. So once the hair is blow dried, this is what it looks like. Now I'm just going to go in and cut the rest of the lace off the frontal. And yeah, I just go along the hairline that I've created, trying not to cut off the baby hairs I created. And that is the final step. Then I go ahead and put the wig on. Okay, and I'm back. So the hair has been washed and blow dried. The frontal has been laid. I'm loving how this frontal is looking. It is one of the most natural frontals I've ever had to work with, like minimal plucking. So now we're gonna go ahead and curl the hair. But as for the hair in its natural state, it is super soft and it is tangle free. However, when I was washing and blow drying, there was a little bit of shedding. I did lose a little bit of hair, but nothing like major. There was no big ball of like hair hair clumping out or falling out. So this is the hair in its natural state, you know, after washing and blow drying. There's no product in this hair, there's nothing in this hair or nothing done to this hair. I do think it would be a little bit more wavy if I would have let it air dry, but because I blow dried it out, of course it will look like a Brazilian blow dry basically. But apart from the waves being gone, I absolutely love the texture of this hair. It feels really nice, and it's not like the silkiest hair, so it's definitely gonna hold curl well. Yeah, there's nothing bad that I can say about this hair, so let's just go ahead and section it and start curling. So this is the biggest barrel that I have, that I believe is 32 milliliters, but I'm gonna go one size down, which is the 25 milliliters, and do 25 milliliter barrel wand curls. By the way, the curler that I'm using today is from eBay. I paid like £17 for it, but as soon as I put my review video up, it like shot up in price, which always happens. It's so annoying. So now it's like $29.99 for the set with 5 barrels, which is still a really good deal, but I paid £17 for it. And I'm also going to be using these gloves I got from Primark recently. They're heat resistant gloves because I lost mine that came with the curler, so I had to buy another pair, and it was only £2, so that's really good. So I'm just going to put one glove on, which is going to be the glove that I'm, you know, touching the hair with. And actually, before we start, I'm going to put on How to Get Away with Murder because I need to catch up on the series.
Hold me so right, love me so tight, treat me so nice, love me baby. Call you mine, intertwine, blow your mind, I love you, baby. Hold me so right, love me so tight, treat me so nice, love me, baby. Call you mine, intertwine, blow your mind, I love you, baby.
Hold my face and you go hold my waist till you do amazing. You know I like the chase, till me round the town with my heart it wins. See your eyes with the butterflies, make me feel alive. There's no other guy that can make me shine, make me blush, take me high.
Tell me what you like about me. I want you around me. Let your love surround me, baby, baby. Tell me what you like about me. I want you around me. Let your love surround me, baby, baby. Tell me all the little things, all the little things. Tell me all the little. Tell me all the little things, all the little things. Tell me all the little. Tell me all the little things, all the little things. Tell me all the little. Tell me all the little things, all the little things. Tell me all the little.
Meet me tonight, we'll take a flight, go where we like. Meet me, baby, be my night, I'll be your bride. Kiss me your wife, baby, baby. Follow the signs, see we align. Know it's the time, trust me, baby. Be my night, I'll be your bride. Kiss me your wife.
Hold my face and you go hold my waist till you do amazing. You know I like the chase, till me round the town with my heart it wins. See your eyes with the
Okay guys, and I'm back. So the hair is curled. It took me about an hour altogether. So now I'm just gonna finger curl through it. I'm gonna do this side first because of course I started with this side, and finger curling it just gets it nice and big and like bombshell curls. But from working with the hair, guys, the hair is super soft and it curls really well and really quick. Like some of them I only held on for like 10 seconds, and as you can see the hair is very bouncy, very curly, very gorgeous. I'm just gonna rake through the hair. Just gonna fluff it up a little bit. So there is the curls, guys, and this is Ali Julia hair all complete. I absolutely love this hair. As you can see me just running my hands through, there is no tangling at all. The hair is super soft, very bouncy, and once again this is 3 bundles and a frontal. So I'm just gonna tuck this bit behind my ear like that. I haven't experienced anything bad like from start to finish. The only thing, like I said, there was a little bit of shedding when I was washing, but the whole time that I was curling the hair there was no shedding at all. Even running my hands through it right now, there's no shedding at all. So overall I highly recommend Ali Julia hair. It is gorgeous. If anything, I highly recommend their frontals because it is the least amount of customizing I've had to do in a very long time. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye.
I want